Guys, it is literally 7 minutes to 11 a.m. in the morning. It is vlogmas day 6. I got up late like 7:30. Already bathed, went on the road, came back, then I had breakfast. I'm here with my baby, just lying down chilling. We're taking a relaxed day today. Actually, I don't know how much of a relax of a I don't know how much of a relax it's going to be because I have some things to do. I have somewhere to go in a little bit, so gonna see about that in a little bit. And then I'm just feeling a little bit lethargic. Like I haven't slept so late in a while, and it felt good, but like I don't know if I oversleep. But besides that, when I'm done, I'm actually going to, like, I have some of my clothes to pack away. I have editing to do. I'm gonna edit a thumbnail now to post to one of the vlogs before. These couple days might be a compilation, I'm not gonna lie, and then I actually got some orders for my jewelry. So I'm going to work on that now. Well, actually not now, but in a little bit right after. Handsome, you doing? Look at this little pillow. You're so cute. So today was a wash day, and I used my Manique 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Trust me when I tell you guys, this makes such a difference on my hair. When it's all dried, we're gonna do a little care treatment. I'll show you just how good it looks. Let me show you guys what I put in my hair after it's dried. This is a dried, so as you can see, this is it. Like, I just brush it out after it has been washed. Two things in my hair, and basically I put this Feel vitamin E oil, premium hair oil. It just nourishes my hair and smells really good. I just put this, I think, like 2 little drops. So by the way, I pat my hair into like 2 half and half. I put this at the edge, really like just the edge, because it gives my hair that extra nourishment and moisturization. I make sure to put enough on the edge, and then I just take my hand and kind of just pass it through whatever remainder. I put at the bottom part of my hair because during after a couple hours and overnight, my hair just absorbs whatever I put them at the bottom. so that already makes a difference. Take a brush, like a soft bristle brush, and brush it through. You could use a comb, but a soft bristle brush is actually what gets the product through your hair better. Next, I use, again from the Satanique line, I use the Shine Spray. Guys, I cannot even begin to tell you how amazing this smells. So my hair is very flat, and it never really had a nice sheen to it. It just used to be like, it never used to look like a dull black. So I just put, ooh, a couple pumps all over my hair. Now ideally you could use way less, but it just smells so good, guys. So I take a comb first, run it through, then soft bristle brush. Do is kind of just like roll my hair like this to make sure all of the product kind of like distributes evenly. So I would leave it like this, like rolled like this for a little bit, and then I'll let it go, and when I let it go I'll show you guys how it looks. As you can see, there's that like kind of, there's that shine. Just show you on this side. Shine. So it has that shine without being very oily. It has no oily feel to it. It's just shiny. Update is that my hair actually takes a little bit of time to absorb a product fully, and like I've wrapped it up for the whole day just when it's exercise, so I'm like letting it loose. And then like, I don't know if you guys could see it better now. This is my hair. Like, I think it shows better now. Like it does like my about the texture of my hair takes a while to absorb product, so I literally have to like wrap up my hair in order to product to fully absorb into my hair. So I am signing out for the night. It is like, what's the time? It is about 12 minutes to 7. I am going to finish edit. I am also going to kind of light some incense to get a lovely scent in my room and just relax my body. When I'm finished editing, I'm actually going to learn some stuff for school, and then just get ready for sleep and work tomorrow. So bye guys.
The North Pole and come down to